Welcome to your go-to guide for lighting and electrical safety. In today's episode, we're diving into safety considerations, the foundation of responsible lighting maintenance and electrical work. This guide exists because lighting systems are electrical systems, and that brings real hazards. Working without the right precautions can cause serious injury or worse. That's why only qualified, properly trained people should maintain lighting equipment. Always shut off power before touching anything. Put in place a lockout tagout system so nobody can accidentally re-energize the circuit while you're working. Use the right PPE, gloves, safety glasses, hard hat, non-conductive boots, and more if required by the task. When it comes to ladder and platform safety, use ladders in good repair, free of oil or grease, with non-conductive side rails, especially near live circuits. Maintain a 3-point contact, 2 feet and 1 hand, or vice versa. Don't stand on the top rungs of the ladder or reach too far. When it comes to scaffold and aerial lift safety, scaffolds must hold at least 4 times the workload and be on solid footing. Maintain guardrails at 38 to 45 inches, plus mid-rails and toe boards. Keep at least 10 feet clearance from overhead power lines, unless they are de-energized. Before every shift, a competent person must inspect the scaffolding. So who is responsible for this safety? Obviously you, but each crew should have a designated crew lead responsible for safety briefings, equipment checks, and ensuring compliance with OSHA, NFPA, 70E statutes, and local codes. If you see something unsafe, speak up. Silence implies consent. It's everyone's job, not just the lead, to keep the site safe. Before you start a job, plan and protect. Conduct a job safety analysis for PPE and tools. Review hazard communications for chemicals or unknown substances. Ensure fall protection, especially above 6 feet. Here are some common hazards and ways of preventing them. To prevent electric shock, use lockout tagout, GFCIs, and insulated tooling. To prevent falls, use non-conductive ladders, guardrails, and PPE belts. To prevent scaffold collapse, use proper loads for the scaffold and perform daily inspections. To prevent tools dropping, use lanyards and secure areas below. And lastly, your professionalism and dedication to safety matter. Always follow established practices. Don't take shortcuts. When safety is taken seriously, everyone goes home safe at the end of the day. Thanks for listening.